Okay guys, good day. Today we're talking about how to install Flutter on Android Studio. If you're using VS Code, kindly check out my first tutorial that I did about VS Code download. So downloading and installing a Flutter on the PC is same thing and the same setup for Visual Studio and Android Studio. So now let's download Android Studio. You click in the little link here, accept these terms and download, click download button. So you just start download automatically. It has already downloaded and now let me open the file. The Android Studio has already downloaded, so yeah, let's open it right now. Downloads. Slowly. So I clicked it too much time, too many times. As usual. Let me try to log it in. Okay, it's now loading, like it's loading right now. Okay, so you click on yes. And to show you some other things like this one, you click on next, and next. Then it's how you have to install the file. You have to extract the file into some folders. Okay, it's almost done right now. It's almost done. So after it's done, you just click on next. Click on start Android Studio. I've actually installed Android Studio on my phone laptop before. I just deleted it just recently for me to start it afresh. So in case your one did not go straight like mine, try to download anything it requires and try to install anything because it will be something like SDK. Just try to download every SDK it shows you and make sure you have an active internet with much data. So the Android Studio is loading. Just wait. Okay, so after you set up everything, this is what it will show you at the first page. Now you have to click on this configure file over here. So for you to install that plugin also on Android Studio, you click on plugins, you come to marketplace, search Flutter. It's loading. Okay, now click on install. Install the that plugin and also the Flutter plugin together. Now it has already finished. It has already installed finished. Now let's click on the Start IDE. Restart. So our IDE will automatically go on back again. Okay, now it's loading faster than before. So now that I've already clicked, just come here and click on create a new Flutter project. If you are seeing this create a new Flutter project, then you have done it as nice and smooth as I did mine. Click on create a new Flutter project, click on Flutter application, then click on next. Which name should I give it? Now let me give it YT guide. Now for this Flutter SDK part, we installed Flutter in the first video. Now click on this option here. So you don't know how to install Flutter. Kindly watch my first video on how to install it on Visual Studio. I did it well then. You click on, come to your SRC folder if you can still remember. Come to your Flutter and your Flutter folder, click on OK. Dot. Any name you want. Let's call it YT dot guide. Let's put it YT guide. You can give it any name you want. Any name you want. Finish, and it will load for some time. Okay, it's now loading. It's now loading. Reopening files. Let me make it full. And it's also the same as the other one there. Go to projects. Lower this thing a little bit. So what we're working on is on our leave folder. This is where we have everything we're working on so far here. So for you to have a download, put an Android emulator, you come here and click this button here. Click the AVD manager, create a virtual device. But my laptop don't actually is not compatible with any virtual device, and it hangs my laptop in very well. So you click on this pixel for anyone you want to do for. You click on next, and then you have to select no system will be selected. You have to like select one. Now you have to download any of these. Just click on download and start downloading. But right now I'm not downloading any of them because of my system is not compatible with it. I will actually show you guys how to use. Let me show you guys another method I use. You can see it's now there. We have successfully installed Flutter on Andriod Studio also. So if you are missing anything, kindly watch my first tutorial on how to install Flutter with Visual Studio.